This is the Paula's Choice Weightless Advanced Repairing Toner, and I've been using this for about 2 years now. I've seen a tremendous difference in the texture of my skin. I'm telling you, this works for someone like me who has aging skin, a combination leaning towards oily skin and acne-prone sensitive skin. This is what it looks like. It's very liquid. Okay, this is a toner, so I usually just put it in my hand and dab it on my face. You pat it in. I don't typically use this with a cotton pad. Just over the years, I've learned that you lose a lot of the product that way, so I prefer to just pour it into my clean hands and dab it gently into the skin itself. This is an excellent toner by Paula's Choice, and I've seen a noticeable difference in my skin barrier. I highly recommend you give this one a try.